What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I recently put out a video on must-have credit cards for 2020, and I got a lot of questions asking me about unlimited cashback credit cards. And I wanted to address that in this video, but this is going to be a complete list of unlimited cashback credit cards that you can use that I recommend. And it's not going to be something to where it's every single cashback credit card, but it is going to be unlimited cashback credit cards that I recommend, just to make that clear. But before I get into this, make sure you hit the like button, please hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Now, the reason why I didn't include unlimited cashback credit cards on that video or in that video is because I don't want to promote frivolous spending. I'm not a person that likes to promote spending on everything, because if you do that, you're going to spend at clothing stores, you're going to spend at technology stores, you're going to spend in all different places, and it's not going to benefit you because that's frivolous spending. That's spending that you wouldn't normally spend, which means that you're not getting any type of rewards on what your normal spending is. And that's why I really don't like talking about that. I do tell people about different credit cards when it comes to unlimited cashback cards, but I don't really like to truly promote those cards to people, especially if they're starting out with their first credit card or they have a low credit score or anything like that, because that promotes spending so much or maxing out your credit cards and getting a little bit of rewards back. That's the reason why I don't like doing it. But in this video, I will give you some of the best cards to look for when it comes to unlimited cash back. Just make sure you use them the right way. If you're going to spend money on them, spend them on bills and don't put anything else on them unless you budgeted in that month. That is my recommendation, so hopefully you follow through with that as I go through these cards. But I'm going to get into these cards right now, starting with the Citi Double Cash card. This card has 2% back, which will give you a lot back. And I have this card, I've been using it for a number of years, and I always recommend it to so many people. The next card is actually the Hilton Honors credit card. Now, this is a little bit tricky because you probably want to have a little bit of a higher credit score in order to get this card, but it is going to give you 3 times back on everything that you spend. But if you look at the conversion, you have 3 times points. What does that convert to in cents? 1.5 in cents. So basically it's going to be 1.5% back. So instead of looking at that 2% back at the Citi Double Cash, you'll have 1.5% back with the Hilton Honors credit card. The next one is the Discover It credit card, which will give you 1% back on everything, even though they have those revolving categories, 1% back on everything, but you do have the cashback match in the first year. So technically that 1% is going to be pushed to 2% if you spend it on different areas that you spend money on. The next area is the Fidelity credit card, which is 2% back on everything, and then they'll deposit your money into your brokerage account so you can save that money and put it away, which is always a good thing. And the last card that I have on here is the PayPal credit card, which is 2%. A lot of people don't like this card for some reason, but the PayPal credit card does give you 2% cash back, which is obviously a great thing. So those are some of my favorite credit cards that are out there with unlimited cash back. There are some that give you introductory periods to where you can gain 2 to 3% cash back, and some cards that aren't really mainstream that may give you 4% cash back. And I don't really like promoting those cards that are outside of that unless I really research that a lot. But these cards are solid cards. They will give you solid 2%, 1.5 to 2% cash back. Most of them will give you 2% cash back. And then you can also add some of the other benefits that they include on those cards. But like I said in the beginning of the video, don't ever overspend on your credit cards, especially unlimited cashback cards, because that's what they're trying to get you to do. This is why I don't promote it, because let's say a Capital One will push 1.5% cash back on everything, means, hey, go spend your money on everything that you see. And if you spend your money on everything you see, you're gonna get 1.5 cash back from it. Even though you can't pay off your bill, you still get 1.5% cash back. So I hope that you understand how deadly these cards can actually be. And if you do apply for it, it's mainly for credit purposes and also to apply to your bills. Those are the 2 things that you should be getting from this. But that's my video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this list. Let me know if you have any other cards that you wanted me to add to the list, and I'll, gladly, add it the next time around. But these are definitely must-have credit cards that you need to have for unlimited cash back, in my opinion. But make sure you hit that like button if you could. That would help me out so much. Also, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more videos just like this one. And get your 2 free stocks with Webull down below. But that's my video, guys. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.